Haike, things are getting even more worse for Ubongo. As you guys know, Ubongo nomsizi had a fight lapha eGenesis studio. So, there was an immediate suspension letter that was issued to Felicia ukuthi anike Ubongo. So, Ubongo did not get that letter in time. Akayitholanga because Ubongo is Felicia's son. So, Felicia was being overprotective towards Ubongo. So, now le letter iyabuya ke bafethu. Ubongo noba nibone efaka ibuko ufihla amehlo because bebela phela benomsizi lapha e-studio. But-ke i-letter regardless ifikile and the guy seems surprised to be getting the letter. So ifikile i-letter kubonke ke bafethu. Ubongo has to sign a immediate suspension letter from eGenesis that was issued by Uthandi to Felicia, and Felicia kept the letter up until they gave Ubongo the letter today. So manje since umsizi was actually dishing out every information to Felicia, now it's time because now Felicia wants to actually protect her reputation lapha eGenesis. So Ubongo finally signed the letter guys, which is sad. So Mafitoto laphana wafethu wants to elevate a relationship yakhe ne-states a relationship yakhe banoNandi. So Nandi pays Mafitoto a relationship lapha emkhukhwini wakhe. Because Ishmael noBuhle are facing problems. You understand? I think Mafitoto wants the same influence to actually be in his relationship, because we are in the relationship by Ishmael noBuhle, because these guys are facing challenges ever since they were caught laphana emzini kaFelicia belele ndawonye laphana empedeni. So manje ke Mafitoto wants to fix a relationship yakhe banoNandi and make it look or make it seem as if a relationship yabo injengeya Ishmael noBuhle. Crazy. Zakaria ke bafethu uyaqhubeka illness yakhe yagula lo muntu. It's going even bad for Zakaria, but on the other side uWendy is hungry for Zakaria's money. If you saw in the last episode guys, Zakaria was writing a will. So manje the stuff your guy had to come to Wendy's place, you understand, and this guy had to actually make uWendy operate ngalendlela afuna ngayo to get initials, get information ka Zakaria, even get his identity document to steal Zakaria's money, because Wendy's aim is to wait for Zakaria to die in order to eat Zakaria's money. But now the catch is this Stafia guy seems to know Zakaria. That's crazy. They wanna eat someone's money because bafuna afe masaba imali yakhe hlungeleyo ke. Marona had to visit Genesis. Album yakhe Ditapelo hasn't been doing good on the internet ever since it was leaked. So Marona had to go to Genesis and request the advance. So she wants a percentage of imali lapha Genesis, hoping she'll get it, but unfortunately the meeting did not allow her to get the advance. So Felicia Shiluguti, they've once held a meeting benoNandi as the administrators and the board of Genesis. Marona won't get a cent from Genesis. She won't get advance, she won't get any money, she won't get any royalties, since the album was leaked and dropped unexpectedly before they even dropped the album. This is sad, I won't lie. And then Galena Yabafet, look Mama Lona, she does not want to Ishmael. I can easily or simply say it like that. Akamfuni Ishmael lo mama lona. She is thinking ukuthi Ishmael, what Ishmael did with noBuhle, Ishmael will do beno owethu, since Ishmael was given accommodation by uBaba uMfundisi lapha kwakhe. Baba uMfundisi ke is influencing umkakhe to go and speak to Felicia, and umkakhe the wife doesn't want to speak to Felicia. So Baba Mfundisi opted to go for himself with ayokhuluma noFelicia. Ngalena ke bafethu umsizi is constantly playing Mpumi's song up until it reached Maruna's ears. And Maruna ke seemed to love the song because she was begging umsizi ukuthi, no, please play the song for me. Yabona ufuna ukuyizwa ingoma. I never knew ukuthi she knew ukuthi it was her sister that was singing there, because I thought ukuthi it's another artist, but ngazile ukuthi Mpumi. But as for Maruna, I didn't think she's gonna know very fast ukuthi Mpumi that's singing on the song. So she was left in the studio and she looks happy and excited for her sister, I can say, yabo. And then ngalena yabafethu, this guy stuff with funeral cover or what, or a funeral parlor or something like that. Bafuna identity document ka Zakaria. They want Zakaria's ID to finalize every info ya Zakaria and give him a decent sent off. But that doesn't sound like a decent send-off because they easily wanna chow. They wanna eat up imali kaZachariah, especially uWendy. uWendy is waiting for Zachariah to die and then eat up her money. And uZachariah ke denied the offer. Ushilo ukuthi ngeke baze bayithole i-ID yakhe. Uzabaculela uZachariah ukuthi ngeke ayithole i-ID yakhe because bona bafuna imali yakhe. On the other side ke bafethu uzibambele ke baba umfundisi. Baba umfundisi uyile lapha kaFelicia, mayifika kaFelicia. He wanted to speak about Ishmael. And uFelicia kumtshelile bamfundisi ukuthi akafune ulizwa nje igama lika Ishmael emzini wakhe and ufuna uIshmael ahlale kuye. We understand because bamfundisi cares about Ishmael and he's willing to defend Ishmael. But ke lo mama lo akafuna uFelicia nje ngempela ukuthi alokhe evikela uIshmael. Uze wabiza uAus, the domestic worker that works at Felicia's house. Amtshela ukuthi akaqoqe yonke into. She must pack up everything where Ishmael was sleeping, whether it was clothes, whether it was towels, whether it was a bedding, whether it was everything that Ishmael used in the house, and put them in a plastic bag because akasamfuni Ishmael emzini wakhe, you understand. And Ishmael vele sihlala kamfundisi, so umfundisi can handle uIshmael. That's crazy. Ngalena bafethu ke uGabriel is always nama favors. This person doesn't get caught. He's always using umsizi to do his dirty work. So bafethu uGabriel amtshela umsizi ukuthi akahamba utshela uThandi. uThandi is a worker, a staff worker at Genesis. Akahamba utshela uThandi the whole truth. Yabo ukuthi uBonko was the one who leaked the album. Yabo. But ke I feel like uGabriel was telling umsizi ukuthi he must go and tell uThandi the whole truth. Also regarding ukuthi uBonko slept with uMaruna. But this guy is always used to actually like elevate drama and elevate negativity. Yabo. So nangempela ke bafethu ngiyambona kumsizi. Umsizi went to uThandi wamtshela the whole thing. Umsizi sang uculile bafethu umsizi wamtshela ukuthi uBonko is the one who is behind the leak. He is the one who is behind the leak. And the reason why actually uBonko attacked umsizi was because uBonko wanted to actually protect himself. So this guy, basically umsizi is lying to uThandi. And uThandi is buying umsizi's story, surprisingly. She's buying umsizi's story, you understand. But also umsizi also said ukuthi uFelicia knows the whole truth. Uyazi ngoba phela umsizi uyena ohambile wayatshela uFelicia everything. Uyazi umsizi. Felicia Felicia knows everything. And uThandi thought Felicia doesn't know anything because Felicia kept on constantly protecting uBonko. So Sedibeng sisters bafethu bahlangana ke manje bafethu. You understand? Uma behlangana ke amaSedibeng, Maruna delivers the news to Mpumi, telling Mpumi ukuthi she heard her song playing around the studio. She heard idemo yakhe iqhinyiwe lapha idlala lapha e-studio. You understand? So Mpumi is excited about how finally someone actually, or people at Genesis, finally heard her track because uBonko left the USB at the admin. You understand? But there's a catch, guys. Maruna is the big superstar here, and Mpumi was the one who actually dreamt about the song. So when she dreamt about the song, she got a studio to record the demo and actually transported the demo to Genesis, and Genesis did not listen to the demo yake. But manje uMaruna is selfish, Maruna is greedy, and she wants the song to be hers, album yake. Because when Mpumi actually wanted Maruna to help her, Maruna kept on telling her, no man, she must leave the music thing, it's not for her. She must apply for TVET colleges or apply for university and go study. Which is crazy because Mpumi manje seliphumile ikhono lakhe and Maruna is now greedy. So it caused tension between the two of them. Bahlala ke mama ke bafethu uThandi ngiyambona ke banoFelicia ke lapha. uThandi ke fortunately she knows the truth manje. Usalazi iqiniso ukuthi kakwenzakalani. You understand who is behind the leak of the album and everything. So obviously they speak. You understand about noFelicia. And things are going also bad for Felicia because Felicia never owned up. She knows the whole truth because utshela umsizi, but she never owned up in time. Ukuthi what's happening? Yabona ngoBonko. Why is Bonko acting the way he's acting? Why is umsizi singing up everything? And ke lapha bafethu uThandi is exposing ukuthi umsizi secula yonke into. uMsizi useshilo ukuthi uBonko is the one behind the leakage. And uThandi has been wanting Felicia to issue that suspension letter to uBonko, which Felicia has been keeping that letter to her for a long time, protecting uBonko. So now Thandi finally got to Felicia and told Felicia ukuthi she has been protecting uBonko all along. Ngapha uThandi was protecting Genesis, the business, you understand? She should have issued that letter long time ago, you understand? Ubesethi yazama ukuchaza wafethu Felicia, she couldn't explain because uThandi was told the whole truth. Utshele ukuthi uBonko was the reason the album kaMaRona was leaked and why Genesis isn't making money. Let me know, guys, what you think is going to happen in the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Real Culture loves you. Danko.